meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Sunshine and, yes, moisture. It has felt a little warmer than the actual temperature across the South Plains, but still gorgeous conditions continue across the South Plains. We are dealing with some fair weather cumulus clouds, and they've stuck around with us throughout majority of the day, but now things are clearing off, but that doesn't mean they're going to stay clear as we head into the next several hours. Just those popcorn clouds that we love to see, and then the sun obviously stepping on in, warming temperatures up, and those winds are out of the east, so you're feeling the heat from the sun all across the South Plains. Right now on the exclusive KLBK digital Doppler radar, we are picking up on a few storms, especially further off towards the east and down to the south. Few over into Snyder, Colorado City, as well as into Big Springs. We are beginning to see a few isolated showers popping up. This is expected, and we're expecting to see more of this picking up on into the rest of the evening hours. Even just over to around Tucumcari, we're seeing a little bit of reflectivity trying to pick up. As far as heavy rainfall, I know it's not heavy, but still, it just takes one little storm to form before we see a lot of substantial rainfall across the South Plains. Moisture is present. Cloud cover is beginning to build, especially off towards the southeast and then up towards the north. This is because we're dealing with a cold front coming through. We've got a cold front just to the north in the Panhandle. It's going to slowly but surely take its time, push down towards the south into tomorrow. And then we've got all of that monsoonal flow coming in, not only from the Gulf of Mexico, but over from the Pacific, causing quite a bit of rainfall over into Albuquerque. And that's going to continue to take shape, not just today, but over the next 3 days. We'd love to see some of that rain, but our best bet is going to come with this cold front that we're going to be dealing with going further into tomorrow. If you are further to the north, especially into Amarillo, up and along I-27, north and around Plainview, you're looking to see a better chance of seeing some of the rainfall down around the Hub City, further into Snyder for tomorrow. Not going to see the largest chance of the rain, but we could see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms popping up along and with this cold front as we head further into tomorrow. But winds, they're wanting to see some rain. They're coming in out of the east, drawing in quite a bit of moisture across the South Plains. We're just ready for the moisture to hit the surface again. Of course, we'll continue to keep you posted, not only when it comes to the potential of the rainfall, but the cool down along with the rain. The cold front's not going to cool us down too much, but we will see a slight change in the way of those winds. 91 degrees right now in the Hub, 96 in Gale, going over to Snyder at 93. And you head further up to Freona, Dimmitt, where we're just on the edge of that cold front. We are seeing those numbers slightly cooler. Really nothing to complain about too much, because even though it is warmer than what we did see over the past 2 weeks, it's still below average for this time of year. This particular model, as far as rainfall, is indicating we could see a few isolated showers to the north and off into the rolling plains tomorrow as the cold front does push its way through. It has been over-exaggerating things the past few days, so we're going to continue to really not put 100% faith in this model, but we will continue to keep you informed on the potential of rain that we could see across the South Plains going further into the next several days. It even has some rain potentially over to the Panhandle on Thursday, but we'll continue to keep an eye on the sky. But as far as everyone else is concerned, say you're traveling to New Mexico, splash alert for you. Get those rain boots out. Temperatures for tomorrow, we're going to see slightly cooler weather, especially over towards the Texas-New Mexico state line. 92 degrees in Freona, as well as Muleshoe. Lamesa, we're anticipating 95 tomorrow afternoon. Silverton, 97, 99 in Turkey. Childress, 101 degrees for your high. But obviously, we're not going to see the triple digits everywhere. Central locations, we are looking to get down to 69 degrees for the low, 93 by the afternoon. Isolated storms are possible tomorrow as we head with that cold front pushing its way down towards the south. Then we slightly clear up as we go into Thursday, and guess what returns? West Texas winds Friday and Saturday. We're looking for those winds to kick back up, being sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour at times. Thanks to all the rainfall, we're not necessarily anticipating a dust storm per se, but definitely we could kick up a little bit of blowing dust and dirt across the region, lowering the visibility slightly, but definitely not going to get down to a very low visibility for everyone across the South Plains. But rain is on the radar. It is not widespread. It is just isolated at this time. We'll continue to keep you posted on the ever-changing weather.
You know what I'm just realizing right there? I saw breezy up there on the 7-day forecast a couple times. Haven't really seen that too much.
No, this has been a very different year, and it's been very pleasant summer.
Spring was typical, but summer has been a nice change.
Summer has been a very nice change.
We'll take it.
Thanks so much, Nikki-Dee.